All right. So have you ever noticed, like, when you're trying to grow your business online, you put all this time and energy into making these, like, awesome promo videos, and then it's like crickets.
Yeah,
It's so frustrating, right? You
def
get a few views, maybe a couple of clicks, but, like, nobody's actually buying anything.
it's like you're pouring money and effort into this black hole of content.
Totally. And then on top of that, you're constantly trying to come up with fresh ideas for your marketing and keep churning out content. It's just exhausting.
It really is, and I think a lot of people struggle with this. They see others finding success with video and online marketing, but then they try it themselves and it's like hitting a wall.
Yeah, exactly. So that's what we're diving into today because we found this really interesting set of AI tools that are designed to take those problems and basically like vaporize them.
Oof.
Right. We're talking about using GPTs, which are basically like your own personal AI assistants.
I think of them as little marketing robots working behind the scenes.
I love that. So these AI assistants, they can automate so much of your online marketing, especially when it comes to video. And the idea is you get to spend less time on that repetitive grind and more time actually seeing your business grow.
And the best part is this isn't some super complicated tech that only like Silicon Valley engineers can understand. These GPTs are essentially custom versions of those really smart language models that power ChatGPT.
Right. So it's technology that's already out there and proven to work. You just got to know how to use it for your specific business needs.
Exactly. And that's what's so cool about this toolkit. It gives you those specific tools without having to be a coding whiz.
So in this toolkit, we're talking about 7 GPTs that are specifically made for writing amazing video scripts.
Those are going to be your scripting superstars.
Exactly. Then you've got another 10 GPTs that are all about like supercharging your business across the board, like boosting your visibility online, getting more engagement, and ultimately driving more sales.
Your business growth dream team.
Plus, they throw in a whole bunch of templates for social media and promo videos, so you can make your brand look super professional.
It's like they thought of everything you need to make a real impact online.
Right? And the craziest part is you can actually build your own custom GPTs tailored to like your exact needs. So this isn't just for like one type of business. This is for everyone, from your local bakery to like a global e-commerce empire.
And the barrier to entry is so low. All you need is a free ChatGPT account. It's incredible how accessible this technology is becoming.
That's a game changer for sure.
Mm.
So our mission in this deep dive is pretty straightforward. We're going to figure out exactly how these AI tools can help you make those killer videos that not only grab people's attention, but actually get them to take action and buy from you.
We're talking about going beyond just views and clicks. We want conversions, sales results.
Absolutely. And we're going to look at how these tools can help you level up your overall online marketing and maybe even discover some cool new ways to generate income.
There's so much potential here. It's exciting to unpack.
Okay, so let's start with those video script writer GPTs. You said there are 7 of them, and they can whip up scripts for pretty much any niche. So what makes these different from just using like a generic AI writing tool?
The magic here is that these GPTs are trained on proven marketing frameworks that have been used by like the biggest brands for years because they actually work. They're not just randomly generating words. They're using psychology and persuasion techniques to craft scripts that convert.
Okay, so these are like battle-tested frameworks that we know get results.
Exactly. And they've highlighted a few of the core ones they use, like ADA, attention, interest, desire, action, which is a classic for a reason. It's all about leading your viewer through a specific sequence that makes them want what you're offering.
It's like building a story that draws them in and then makes them take action.
Right. And then there's PAS, problem agitate solution, which is so good for tapping into those pain points that your audience is feeling and then positioning yourself as the answer.
It's like you're speaking directly to their needs and frustrations.
Precisely. And then you've got BIA before after bridge, which is all about showing that transformation. You show them where they are now, where they could be, and how your product or service is that bridge to get them there.
I like that. Like painting a picture of a better future and then showing them how to reach it.
And that's just scratching the surface. There's also the storytelling framework, which is all about using narratives to connect with your audience on a deeper level.
Stories are so powerful for building trust and making your message memorable.
Right. And then there's the explainer framework, which is perfect for breaking down those complex ideas and making them easy to understand. So you can position yourself as the solution to a problem they might not even fully grasp yet.
So no matter how complicated your product or service is, you can make it crystal clear for your audience.
Exactly. And the variety just keeps going. There's the challenge framework, which is great for getting your audience involved and maybe getting them to commit to a small action that leads to a bigger result.
I love that because it's about building momentum.
And then you have the social proof-driven framework, which is all about using testimonials and reviews to build credibility and trust.
Social proof is so important these days because people want to see that others have had success with what you're offering.
Absolutely. And finally, there's the urgency and scarcity framework, which is your go-to when you need to encourage people to act now.
FOMO, fear of missing out. It's a powerful motivator.
It definitely is. So basically, whatever kind of video you need, whether it's a quick ad, a detailed explanation, or a customer testimonial, there's a GPT that's specifically designed to help you write a script that achieves that goal.
It's like having a whole team of expert copywriters at your fingertips.
And the best part is, instead of staring at a blank page and wondering where to start, you have the structured framework to guide you through the process.
Okay, so we've got the video scripts covered, but this toolkit also comes with these 10 business booster GPTs, which are designed to go beyond just video, right?
Right, because creating great videos is just one piece of the puzzle.
So what other parts of our businesses can these boosters help with? Like, give us some specifics.
Okay, so think about it this way. To be successful online, you need more than just great videos. You need to be visible in search results. You need to be engaging with your audience on social media, and you need to be converting those visitors into paying customers.
It's about building a whole online ecosystem that works together.
Exactly. And these 10 GPTs are like your specialized team for each of those areas.
Okay, so let's break it down. Give us some examples of like what these AI assistants can actually do.
All right, so let's say you're into affiliate marketing. There's a GPT specifically for writing those product reviews that actually make people click and buy.
That's super helpful because affiliate marketing is all about getting those conversions.
Right. And then if you're struggling to get your website to rank higher in search results, there's a GPT that can analyze your blog posts and tell you exactly what to tweak to make them more SEO friendly.
SEO is a beast.
Yeah.
So having an AI assistant to help with that is amazing.
It's a game changer. And speaking of getting traffic, if you're doing cold email outreach, there's a GPT that can write those personalized emails that actually get responses.
It's like having a personal email marketing guru.
And then for building your email list, there's a GPT that can help you create those irresistible lead magnets that people are happy to exchange their email address for.
Lead magnets are so crucial for growing your audience and nurturing those relationships.
Exactly. Now let's talk about social media, because grabbing attention on those platforms is a whole other challenge.
It's like a constant battle for eyeballs.
It really is. But that's where the headline and hook generator GPT comes in. It's trained on those copywriting techniques that make people stop scrolling and actually read your posts.
It's like having a master headline writer on your team.
And then once you've got their attention, you need to make sure your offer is clear and compelling.
So people understand the value of what you're selling.
Right. And that's where the offer positioning assistant GPT comes in. It helps you articulate exactly why your product or service is worth their time and money.
It's like having a marketing consultant helping you refine your messaging.
And then there's the time-saving aspect, because let's be real, repurposing content across different platforms can be a huge drain on your time.
It's so tedious.
It is. But luckily, there's a GPT for that. The social media content repurposer can take your longer form content, like your video scripts or blog posts, and turn them into bite-sized snippets that are perfect for Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, you name it.
That's brilliant because it ensures you're reaching your audience wherever they hang out online.
And then there's the productivity side of things, because staying organized and focused is crucial for any business owner.
Time management is everything.
Right. So they've included a GPT that acts as your daily productivity planner. It helps you prioritize your tasks, set realistic deadlines, and just stay on top of everything.
It's like having a virtual assistant keeping you on track.
And then for anyone working with PLR content, which is basically content that you can rebrand and sell as your own, there's a GPT that helps you customize it to fit your unique brand.
That's super helpful for creating your own digital products without having to start from scratch.
Exactly. And finally, to round out the business boosters, there's a GPT that helps you plan your YouTube content strategy.
So you can create videos that actually attract and retain viewers.
It's about creating that consistent content that builds a loyal audience.
Wow, it really does sound like you're getting a whole marketing team with this toolkit.
It's like having a team of specialists working behind the scenes to help you succeed.
Okay, so just to recap, we've got these amazing GPTs for writing video scripts and boosting your business, plus a library of templates for social media and promo videos, and it all works with a free ChatGPT account.
It's pretty incredible how much value they've packed into this toolkit.
But now the question is, how do we take all of this and actually use it to make money?
That's the key, right? It's not just about having the tools, it's about knowing how to use them strategically.
So give us the rundown. How can we turn this toolkit into cold, hard cash?
Well, the most obvious way is to use these GPTs and templates to create amazing content for your own business.
So better marketing materials, more engaging social media posts, a more strategic approach to video content.
Exactly. That's going to help you attract more customers, boost your sales, and ultimately make more money.
Makes sense. But you also mentioned something about generating new income streams with this toolkit.
Right. So here's where things get really interesting because the toolkit comes with a commercial license and PLR rights, which means you can actually use the content and tools you create to offer services to others.
Wait, so I could like start a business based on this toolkit?
Absolutely. You could offer video script writing services, social media management, content creation, even YouTube strategy consulting, all powered by these AI tools.
It's like starting your own marketing agency, but with AI as your secret weapon.
Exactly. And it gets even better because you can also create your own custom GPTs with the included GPT Builder Kit.
Wait, so you're telling me I could build my own AI tools?
You got it. And the best part is you can then resell those custom GPTs to other businesses who are looking for those specific solutions.
Hold on, so you're saying I could build my own specialized AI tools and then sell them to other businesses?
Exactly. And you get to keep 100% of the profit.
That's insane.
It's a huge opportunity, especially as more and more businesses are realizing the power of AI.
So not only can I improve my own business, but I can also tap into this whole new market of selling AI-powered solutions to other businesses.
It's like a double whammy of entrepreneurial potential.
Okay, so to sum it all up, we've got these incredible GPTs for writing video scripts and boosting our businesses, plus a library of ready-made templates. And we can use all of this to either grow our own businesses or create entirely new income streams by offering services or selling our own custom GPTs.
And the best part is it all runs on a free ChatGPT account. So there's really no excuse not to at least give it a try.
Right. The barrier to entry is so low.
It is. So here's the question I want to leave you with. In a world where everyone is vying for attention online, what if the key to standing out and achieving those big goals isn't about working harder, but about working smarter?
It's about leveraging the power of AI to amplify our efforts and create content that actually cuts through the noise.
Exactly. Imagine having a team of AI assistants working for you 24/7, creating those engaging marketing materials that attract customers and drive sales.
It's like having an unfair advantage.
In a way, it is. So think about it. How could you use these tools to transform your business in 2025? The possibilities are endless.
Thanks for joining us for this deep dive. We hope this has given you some serious food for thought about how AI can revolutionize your approach to business. And remember, the future is here. It's just unevenly distributed.
And with tools like this, you can get your hands on a piece of that future.
Absolutely. Until next time, keep innovating, keep creating, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
And don't be afraid to let AI help you along the way.
That's right. Thanks for tuning in.